Hey everybody, a couple days ago I did a video where I showed you guys how to make a graphic for a t-shirt with AI art, but one of the viewers left a comment saying I forgot to show you guys how to upscale images. So I'm going to redo this video, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to upscale an image in the site that I use. So anyway, we're going to go here to Kittl, and we're just going to click on a project here. Now, AI images are 1024 by 1024. So I'm just going to leave that screen up there. I'm going to go down here on the left-hand side. I'm going to click on Kittl AI. And I am going to put in stack of books, flowers, coffee cup, vintage. And then I'm going to go down here to t-shirt graphics and see what it comes up with. This is what we got here. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to click background remover. I'm going to go up here and change this to 300 dpi, optimize quality, and I am going to download it as a PNG. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the site. It's called Image2Go. And there is different programs. If I click on pricing, there's the basic that's always free. Of course, you know, it's always limited when you get the free one, but you can do it for free. The starter right now is only $6.50 a month. That price changes quite a bit because I pay $8 a month, and I saw the other day it was $7. Now it's $6.50 a month. So jump on there now if you can. I'll put a link below. So anyway, this is the program. I get the starter, and you get 60 credits, so you can do 60 different images, and you can upscale it 4 times the size and everything. So how you do it is, I'm going to click over here on the logo, and then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go right here to upscale image. It's going to open at this page, and then you just go right here to choose file, and you just click on it. I'm going to change the name real fast here. So just upload that here. Then you're going to see it upload into the site. And then right here, I pick scale up 4 times and then start. So it takes a little while to upscale it. It takes a couple minutes. I'll fast forward through this part. Then once it says done, you can download it. And if you want to compare the images, you can. So first I'll open the one that's not upscaled. And you can see when you zoom in how, you know, it's kind of pixelated and blurry. So then when we open the one that's upscaled, it should be a little bit less blurry. See how sharper that is? So you can see right there, you know, that it helps to upscale it, and that helps you put it on like bigger products like t-shirts or posters. So I'm going to get rid of the unupscaled one. Close that out. Okay, now we're done with that, so I'm going to close that. So now we can go to create, and we can make a couple different items with this. We'll go through a couple items. So go to customize this design. Click on upload your design. And you can go up here. This is the align button up here. Go up here and you can, align it in different ways. And then once you get it where you like it, just click done. And then sell it. So in your title, use lots of keywords. And go down here to your description. Product merchandising will show you the view the customer is going to see. If for some reason it's showing the back of the shirt, you can go here to change options, and pick which view you want. Categories, there isn't really one for this. Recipient, it can be for her. And then I'm going to put this in Fun with AI. In the category, I will pick books. I don't have a collection made yet, so I'm just going to leave that alone, and then put in your tags. And make sure if you're doing AI work, you put in generative content. That's what Zazzle asked you to do, so they can identify AI. Okay, and then G, and then I have the right to publish this. So now I'm going to show you guys something else. You can click on transfer design to a product, and you can scroll through here and see, like, let's transfer it to a grocery bag. And go to edit design, and you can fix it however you want it. So once you get the text and everything how you like it, then you can go here to make this a template object. Click on that, and now a customer will be able to change this to a name or other family member. And then I always go up here and click on align to make sure I align it. And I am going to copy this and also put it on the back. Once I get it on the back, I'm going to center it. So I only have the name on one side. And then sell it. And I know in the on Zazzle they say not to put personalized in the tags, but I do put it in the description. A couple people have asked me about that. So I don't put personalized or customized in the tags, but I do put them in the description and in the title. And Zazzle doesn't have like a really quick way to make a lot of products at once like other print-on-demand sites do, so you just gotta kind of do it this way with the transfer button. And when you transfer stuff, all the information will be in there, so you don't really have to redo everything. I try to change it just a little bit. Zazzle likes each one to be unique, but most of the information's already there, which is nice. So now we got a t-shirt and a book bag. Let's see what else we can transfer this to. How about a coffee cup? So I'm going to click on View All Products. Go down to a coffee cup. And it's going to show up here. Then you just click on Edit Design. And you can move it where you want it. Over here you can scale it down. And see how there's all that space between Grandma and Betty? You can go right here and to line spacing and shrink that. Use these green lines to center everything. Go down here, it's still on template object. Now let's see if everything looks centered okay. So you want these little squares to line up with the green line there. Doesn't always, depending on the design, I mean. So I'm going to leave it like that. And the back says Grandma Betty, and now a customer can go right here and click on Personalize and change that. That's what toggling on Make a Template does. So now we're going to move it back to the front view, and maybe we'll change it to this mug. So there's a black handle and black inside. That's cute, right? Or do you like it better white? You can do it both ways. So anyway, and then click on Sell It. And I think I'm going to leave all that the same. I'll change right here. And then click Post It again. And then you can keep doing that from product to product. Okay, so now we're going to take these 3 products and we're going to make a cover photo for them. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on Download. I'm going to download these 2. I'm going to go up here in Kittl. And upload those 2 pictures of the mug I just downloaded. I'm going to put this picture in here. I'm going to click on AI Background Remover. And expand this, put it up here. I'm going to add a little shadow. There's all these little things you can do. And then I'm going to upload this side. Do the same thing. I'm going to remove the background. You can expand it by dragging these little boxes. And then I'm going to put a little shadow on it. Then I'm going to go here to these textures. I'm going to click on background. And then you can you know, play around with all the different backgrounds. You can click on show all and you'll see like a bunch of different backgrounds that you can use. And they have so many. There's so many nice ones you can use. There's a lot of different styles. I'll show you guys. If you want to make it look vintagey, you can like use this vintage paper. One of my favorites is the glitter because I just always like glitter. Down here they have like a bunch of glitter backgrounds. The silk ones are really pretty too. These ones, the holographic ones, are super cool. But they don't really match what we're doing. So we're going to go, I kind of like just the watercolor backgrounds for a lot of products these. I think these always look pretty nice. So I'm just going to leave it on this one. And then I'm going to go here to download. Download as a JPEG. And again, you can add more using Kittl. You can add text if you want to put front and back, or personalized coffee mug. And then you can go over here to text and you can add text if you want. And over here you can pick fonts and do all kinds of stuff with the text. Like you can go up here and down here you can add like arches to it, put it in a circle, do all kinds of things, or you can go up here to effects. You know, and you can add like different effects, like say you want to put a shadow on there. You can play around with those. I'm not showing you all of them because I'll make the video go forever long if I show you how long it really takes me when I'm trying to do some, you know, when I'm messing around with this stuff. And I always change this to 2000 by 2000 so it's a big enough size for Zazzle. I think they want like 1080 by 1080 or something like that. So I just put 2000 by 2000 and then download it. And once it's downloaded, you go back over here, click on Media Manager, add media, upload media, download the image, click on it, and close. And then it's going to automatically pop up here. And you can make as many, you can make up to like 10 different pictures and videos for, you know, for the customer to see. So that's how you do it. So we'll go back and we'll make cover photos for the other ones too. I kind of like when a collection has like the same backgrounds, but I try to make different backgrounds for each different collection so that everything just doesn't look the same with, you know, backgrounds, but you can do it however you want. And then we're going to do the same thing for the shirt and the bag. So we're going to go here to download, download the bag, then we're going to go back up here to Kittl. I'm going to delete. I'm going to upload the picture. Click on AI background remover. Put a little shadow on it. And you can leave that background or you can change it and, you know, find another background you like. So anyway, you just find a background that you like, and then you go up here, click on download. And once it's downloaded, you go back to the product, click on Media Manager, add media, upload media, and put your picture there. And again, you can do many of these pictures. For the sake of the video, I try to keep them shorter. But now there's a picture there. And then we're going to do it one more time for the shirt. So download the shirt. And you can do, you know, whatever view you want. Just download it. Go back over to Kittl. Remove the tote bag. Then upload the girl. Click on her and it will show up over here. And it's the same routine. Remove the background. Go over here to textures, backgrounds. I'm going to go down here to walls. And put in different walls and see how it looks. So once you find one you like, go up here, make sure it's 2000 by 2000 and download it. Kind of looks like she's standing in front of a bookshop or something. And again, you can do it way fancier than I'm doing it and add text, and you can make more than one photo and then turn it into a video on Canva. So we're going to go back over here. And we're going to upload this. And there you go. So that's how you make the products, upscale them, and then add a cover photo. So I hope that helps you guys. All right, take care. Bye-bye.